Okay, so first things first, let's highlight the differences between how you're going to start with Wix Studio compared to how you're going to start with the Wix standard version. So, when creating a website with Wix Studio, basically you would have the same options when you're um, at the beginning. You can start designing a site with a template or with a blank canvas, or you can also generate a structure with AI. Although, when it comes to the Wix Studio, their AI is actually more effective compared to the Wix standard plan, wherein you're going to generally have more tries of generating and creating prompts to finally get the design that you would like. The AI response system in Wix Studio is also faster, is in according to my experience. So let's start designing with a template first. As you can see, there are a lot of different template options that are more creative looking compared to the Wix standard version. Because on the Wix standard version, you only get very simple and basic, um, very basic choices. Let's have a quick run through of how it looks like. As you can see, it's all just very minimalistic and all, but Wix Studio has more creative designs, more trendy designs with a lot of, you know, different font usage, font styles, a lot of colors as well, and animations as well. When you this is basically more creative as compared to when you're trying to make a website from the standard version. So let's just click edit from this one. So now let's have a go over the key benefits of Wix Studio over the standard Wix plan. So the first one is the advanced responsive design. Wix Studio provides precise control over responsive designs utilizing CSS grid and Flexbox technologies, which ensures your website delivers an optimal viewing experience. It also, as I mentioned, has AI powered tools, which is has a quicker site development and deployment rather as compared to the Wix standard plan. It assists in generating texts, images, and responsive designs. And then you get to also have a collaborative workspace when you are doing the Wix Studio. In the Wix standard plan, you would also get somehow a collaborative space, but as far as I know, it is more limited as compared to the Wix Studio paid plan. And then you also get to have enhanced business solutions that which I know has native tools for e-commerce, bookings, and blogs, which you can see here. You can have a lot of marketing integrations. You can see you have global sections here, which you cannot find in the standard Wix plan, by the way. And then here, I think you have a lot more, options that you can add to your website as compared again to the standard plan. You had a lot of business integrations right here. These you cannot see this on the standard plan. Like you cannot get Wix restaurants and everything else. You only get to see it in the Wix Studio plan. And then you also have a more comprehensive SEO and marketing tools, as I've said. And then you also have increased storage and bandwidth. The standard plan of Wix Studio offers 50 gigabytes only of media storage and supports up to 5 site collaborators, accommodating larger projects and teams. And then lastly, the enterprise grade security. Wix Studio builds upon Wix's existing security features by offering additional measures such as more frequent backups and enhanced monitoring. As you can see with our autosave on, every change that we make, all the changes that we make in our site get saved automatically and as quick as possible. Whereas in the Wix standard plan, there may be a slight delay, so some of the changes that we made may not be saved, you know, as soon as possible. So when there's a or when there's a blackout or when you lose your internet connection, there are chances that your the changes that you made may not be saved. So again, the standard Wix editor is designed for users seeking a straightforward, user-friendly interface with drag and drop functionality. Um, and while it offers customization without coding, it may lack the advanced design capabilities and collaborative tools found in the Wix Studio. So, if your business requires advanced design flexibility, collaborative project management, and business solutions, WIX Studio presents significant advantages over the WIX standard plan. However, for simpler website that needs emphasis on ease of use, the standard WIX editor remains a viable option. But again, if you want a more advanced site builder, I definitely recommend WIX Studio.